Whether you are a student, researcher, or academic writer, these apps will make your research faster, smarter, and more organized. Let's get into it. Discovery is a free app for finding scholarly articles fast. Here, you can access over 260 million research papers from top databases. Paperpile is your mobile research library, which has been simplified for you. Here, you can keep all your PDFs, citations, and notes in one organized place. Perplexity AI is your AI-powered search with cited answers. You can ask with voice or text, and it looks to be smarter than Google. ChatGPT. Here, you get instant writing help, ideas, and explanations. It is perfect for assignments and research questions. Evernote. Here, you can take notes, clip web pages, and manage your projects like a pro. It is every researcher's best friend. Notion. Here, you can plan, write, and collaborate, all powered by AI. It helps organize your academic life in one workspace. 7. Socratic by Google. It is a lifesaver for students who love visual learning. You can snap a question and get step-by-step explanations here. Bing Chat, ChatGPT-4. This lets you chat, generate images, and research with GPT-4. It is 100% free. It is the ultimate AI companion for students. Otter AI. This lets you record and auto-transcribe interviews or lectures. It is perfect for data collection and note-taking. Number 10, Prime PubMed. Here, you can search and save medical or academic papers fast. It is your shortcut to PubMed access on mobile devices. ResearchGate. It is an academic networking that's been made easy. Here, you can join 25 million plus researchers, share papers, and collaborate. Grammarly. This is your personal academic writing editor. It fixes your grammar, spelling, and tone instantly. You can incorporate this in your phone keyboard to help with your daily communications. Photomat is made visual and simple. Here, you can snap math problems and get clear step-by-step solutions. Google Lens. This can identify text, objects, and books instantly. You can translate, copy, and learn faster with your camera. Google Classroom. This helps to manage classes, assignments, as well as discussions. It is perfect for professors and students alike. Download this today and power up your research. Save this post and share with your students. Which one of these apps do you already use? Drop your comment below. Thank you very much.